Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the two activities of the chapter motion. These two activities are activity 8.3 and activity 8.4. So first we are going to discuss the activity 8.3. That is, in this activity we have to take a meter scale and a long rope and walk from one corner of a basketball court to its opposite corner along its sides, and then measure the distance covered by you and the magnitude of the displacement, and then we have to find the difference between the two measurements. Next, so this is our basketball court. The size of basketball court, as you observe that this is the length of the basketball court, that is 28 meter, and this is the breadth of the basketball court, that is 15 meter. So as you know that to calculate the distance, we measure the length of the path covered by the object. So if a boy starts from here, so he moves along this length first and then goes to along this breadth to reach the opposite corner of this basketball ground. This is one corner and this is opposite corner of this basketball ground. So if we want to calculate the distance, so we measure this path length and this path length. So this path length is 28 meter. So here distance is 28 meter and plus this distance, that is 15 meter. So 28 plus 15, that is 43 meter. So if a boy moves from one corner to the opposite corner of this basketball court, so he covers a distance of 43 meter. But what is the displacement, magnitude of the displacement? Look here, according to the definition of the displacement, what is the definition of displacement? The shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. So here the initial position is this corner and the final position is this opposite corner. So the shortest distance between these two opposite corners is this one. That is the diagonal of this rectangular basketball court. So we will determine this length, that is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. This distance, that is the magnitude of the displacement. It will be the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to find this magnitude of displacement, that is shortest distance between two opposite corners. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of perpendicular and the base. So here the perpendicular is 28 meters, so square of 28 meter plus the base, that is 15 meter, square of this 15 meter, and the square root of this will give you this diagonal, which is nothing but the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. So it comes out to be 31.76 meter. So you observe the difference between two measurements. The distance comes out to be 43 meter, whereas the magnitude of this displacement, the boy is displaced from this starting point to this is the final point. It is displaced in a shortest way in this way. So this is the magnitude of displacement and this is 31.76 meters. So this was the measurement about the first activity. Next slide, sir. Now we are going to discuss the next activity, that is 8.4 of this chapter. In this activity, automobiles are fitted with a device that shows the distance traveled. Such a device is known as an odometer. A car is driven from the Bhubaneswar to New Delhi. The difference between the final reading and the initial reading of the odometer is 1850 kilometer. This is the information given to us. Now find the magnitude of the displacement between the Bhubaneswar and the New Delhi by using the road map of the India. So what you have to do and what is given, there is a car which travels from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi, and the difference in the reading of the meter that reads the distance, that comes out to be 1850 kilometer. So this is the distance travelled by the car. Now find the magnitude of the displacement between Bhubaneswar and the New Delhi using the road map of India. So we have to find out the magnitude of displacement, that is the shortest distance between the Bhubaneswar and the New Delhi using the road map of India. So next slide. This is the road map of India. In this road map, this is Bhubaneswar. Here is the Bhubaneswar. Here it is Puri and here it is Bhubaneswar. The road from Bhubaneswar to the Puri is this represented by this dark red line. Dark red line. This is the road from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi, represented by this dark line. Now, if we measure the length of the path, that is, if we start measuring the length of this path, okay, from different cities individually, so this length of the path measured between the different cities, it is given to us, that is 1850 kilometer, that is read by the odometer of the car. Now, what will be the question is, what will be the displacement of the displacement from this Bhubaneswar to New Delhi? So, according to definition of the displacement, the shortest distance, we have to find out the shortest distance from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi. So, shortest distance will be what? If we draw a line from this Bhubaneswar, if we draw a line from straight line from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi, straight line from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi, and measure its length and then convert to the scale of this map, then it comes out to be 1271 kilometer, and that will nothing but the magnitude of displacement. So the magnitude of displacement from Bhubaneswar to New Delhi is aerial distance between the Bhubaneswar to New Delhi, that is the direct distance from the Bhubaneswar to New Delhi, the straight line, length of this straight line, and converted by this scale of the map, that comes out to be 1271 kilometer. So you observe that this is the distance covered, that is shown by the odometer, and this is the magnitude of the displacement. Both are coming out to be different. So this was activity 8.4. Thank you. I hope that you have understood these two activities. Thank you.